How to guess MCQs in Eamcet or Eamcet 2020. Before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all, as your examination started, read all the questions. By this you can get an idea which questions are tough and easy. So first of all, you should have to answer all the easy questions, then leave the tough questions for later. So for tough questions, we'll do the guesswork at the last moment of the examination by using these tricks which I am going to show you in the further video. So let's start with the trick 1. Golden rule: eliminate wrong option. So as you all know that in MCET there will be 4 options for each question. Suppose in a question you know that option 1 and option 3 are not correct, so you should just eliminate that options and choose one option out of 2 and 4. So by using this trick you can easily make 50% of the chances that the answered by you is correct. So this rule will help you a lot for guessing answers in MCET 2020. So don't forget to use this rule in your examination. Let's start with the trick number 2, quant questions. So for example, the given options of a question is 11, 12, 70 and 55. The examiner who creates the question paper will set the answers to the nearest value. So you can directly eliminate the options 55 and 70 and choose any one option in 11 and 12. Like this you can make the probability of answer to be correct is 50%. So number 3 is options with dimensions. So this type of question you will usually see in the physics. So there is a question, find the volume of the cylinder. So option 1 is 12 meter power 4, option 2 is 12 meter cube, option 3 is 12 meter power 5 and option 4 is 12 power 4. So as you all know that the dimensions of volume is meter cube. So here the correct answer is second option. So like this you can directly guess the answer without solving the question if you know the dimensions of the given quantity. So let's start with the number 4. Questions with the option all the above and none of the above. So there are 50% of chances that the all the above and none of the above option will be correct. So at the last moment if you don't know the answer, so you can directly answer all the above or none of the above option in the given question. So trick number 5 is options look like similar. For example, in the given question the options are 1221, second one is 2121, third one is 1089, fourth one is 1908. So here the options 1 and 2 look similar, so there are higher chances that the correct answer will be in between 1 and 2. So here the examiner is giving you the hint that the correct answer will be in between 1 and 2. So you can directly choose any one option from option 1 and 2. So trick number 6, option with similar sound. So the options which sound similar, there are higher chances that the correct answer will be in between them. So you can directly choose any one option in between them. So trick number 7, opposite choice questions. So for example, in the given questions the options are number 1, x is neither real nor imaginary. Number 2 is x is both real and imaginary. Number 3 is x is real and number 4 is x is a rational number. So here the higher chances are that the correct answer will be in between 1 and 2 because these are the opposite choice questions. So by using these tricks you can easily guess the answer in TSMCET or APMCET 2020 examination. So that's all for this video. Make sure to join my WhatsApp group for more tips and tricks regarding the MCET 2020 and share this informative video with your friends and family members. The WhatsApp group link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.